Hi, we're Periwinkle Planner Co., and we hope you enjoy the video.
Good morning, it's Christine with Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to be planning in my classic skinny planner. Let's see, we are planning for, left my note, for February 15th through the 21st. And let me just pull these out real quick. And because it's the third week in a skinny planner, there's a decoration that goes with the theme of whatever planner you have, and mine happens to be the Squad Girls planner. So they're planning this week. So that gave me an idea. I went through some of my old sticker sheets that I had pulled out from some of my first sticker books I bought, and there was these cute post-it notes and pens and pencils and thumbtacks, and these are like really old and a little bit retro, but I like the black and white kind of color in there. And then I have some icons, and I think I pulled this for the to-do words maybe, and this one just kind of got stuck to it and so did that one. So let's see what we can put together with these stickers. I was thinking we should probably put one of these on each day just to kind of fill it in. Now I have light pink and teal, and I only have one yellow. So maybe we'll do the darker pink, the teal, and the lighter pink. And let's start out, I think, we'll start out with the light pink. And we'll just kind of, I think just put them, do I want from this side? I guess so. We'll just put them like random down here. Do I want to put them all on the same side? We could do that. Let's try that. Let's put them all down the side. Now these have purple and these have pink, so I'm going to use the pink since we're already using pink. And just kind of put them down here. And then repeat the pattern. Dark pink. Oop. A little bit there on Friday. And then we need the blue. There. And then a light pink for Sunday. Then we have to find something to put down here maybe. I was almost thinking of putting lines maybe on the right. And I really like these pens and pencils, but they're huge. I wonder if it would look funny to kind of use them like washi tape in here. And maybe, let's see. You know, kind of like as a line separator maybe. Yeah, we could use the pencils too because that brings in the yellow. I don't want to do it on everyone, but so I should put it on this one. Put it over here. And let's see how this works. And they're going to both be on the same side though. That's kind of weird. I don't want that either. So to fit across here. It's kind of like that. So what color icons do we have here? And we need tweezers. Do we have enough? We don't have any. Oh, we do have light pink. We could do that. Except I have 3 light pink. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try this. Okay, so we have that. Now let's see what else we can add. Some of these. I always say that Sunday is my treat yourself day, but it's also pizza night though too. So I guess let's put that there too. What else do we have? Movie night, chores. Chores is Saturday. Maybe we can't have a movie night over here. Which night? Could put that for Thursday. What else can we put on here? You can put some of these to-dos on here, just to bring in some more of this black. I should put them like right there. We need to fit something else down here. I should have pulled some more things out. Use her. Put her over here like she's closer, I guess. I don't know. Doesn't quite make sense to have these little ones there and the big one there, but I almost think that looks good. I wish I could have something more to put. You know, if there's something that looked like this, I mean, some of these do. We could just kind of put them randomly on here, I guess. There's one that says, let's get crafty. We could do that one. Little like flag. Just put it kind of right in here. Straight. This almost feels like it should be somewhere else. Lower maybe. Just like that. It's like super crooked. Oops. That's too close to her. Oh my goodness. Shouldn't be this hard. I think I'm tired. I'm gonna film my next one tomorrow. What else do we have? Is that about it? Yep, there's no more flags or no more washi or any little things to add. Here, I suppose I could look in the big one. There's these little flowers. We could probably put some of these in here just to add a little something somewhere. Let's see, do we put them by the to-dos? Do we put them... where could we put them on here? Like that. I should have probably picked the light pink and then I could have distributed better, but we'll just do the two dark ones, I guess. Put a little leaf on these. And then I think we'll be done. What's this one? Anything else? Let's stick this little pink heart up here though. Could go all the way across, but it's kind of getting busy there, so maybe not. We'll just do that. Okay. Oh, I was thinking of sticking a pin. These match better than not. Really, the only colors is bright pink ones. Let's see if it looks too big. If I stick this, ouch. Like that. I almost think I should take these off. How about we do it like that? Leave it that way. I'm just going to take this other peach one off, I think. Because I already have that one there anyway. Well, here, stick it there. And let's move this one over just to keep them all more to the right. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Let's grab the planner and put this back, and we'll be all done for another week. There we go. So I just used some random older stickers, these Post-it notes. Same with everything else was really from older books. The Joanne Mega book, I recognize these from there. And Planner Basics, I believe, were some of these and that one. So it's basically just using up your older stickers and kind of making them go together and look. So until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.